Your chapter is differentiation. If y equal to fx, then dy by dx equal to differentiation of fx by d of fx by dx equal to f dash x, where f dash x equal to limit s tends to 0 f of x plus s minus f of x by h. dy by dx is called differentiation of y with respect to x or derivative of y with respect to x. Right hand derivative RSD equal to limit s tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. Left hand derivative LSD equal to limit s tends to 0 f of x minus h minus f of x by minus h. Probably baby. The function is differentiable or derivable if left hand derivative equal to right hand derivative. Is differentiable or derivable if left hand derivative equal to right hand derivative. Some standard formula. If y is equal to x to the power n, then dy by dx equal to dx to the power n by dx is equal to nx to the power n minus 1. If y is equal to c constant, then dy by dx is equal to dc by dx is equal to 0. If y equal to e to the power x, then dy by dx is equal to e to the power x by dx equal to e to the power x. Y is equal to e to the power mx, m is constant, then dy by dx is equal to d e to the power mx by dx is equal to m e to the power mx. If y is equal to log x with base e, then dy by dx d log x with base e by dx is equal to 1 by x. if y is equal to log x with base a, then dy by dx is equal to d log x with base a by dx is equal to 1 by x log a with base e. If y is equal to a to the power x, then dy by dx d a to the power x by dx is equal to a to the power x log a with base e. If y is equal to sin x, then dy by dx is equal to d sin x by dx is equal to cos x. If y is equal to cos x, then dy by dx is equal to d cos x by dx is equal to minus sin x. If y is equal to tan x, then dy by dx d tan x by dx is equal to sec square x. राइट को जी तौड़ को टे लगे कष्ट हो. If y is equal to cot x, then dy by dx d cot x by dx is equal to minus cos square x. If y is equal to sec x, then dy by dx d sec x by dx is equal to sec x into tan x. If y is equal to cosec x, then dy by dx is equal to d cosec x by dx is equal to minus cosec x into cot x. If y is equal to sin mx, then dy by dx d sin mx by dx is equal to m cos mx. If y is equal to cos mx,